We carry so many essential things to school, but among them the most important one is pen. Pen is a tool to write. There are so many types of pens such as ink pen, ball pen, gel pen. Pen is actually says that it is mightier than a sword. This actually means that the word come from a pen is can perform many purposes. So pen is most powerful than a sword. Pen is used to write exams and our thoughts on papers. In this way, the pen becomes a medium of communication. When we cannot talk, we can use pen. We can use pen to write down on paper what we have to say. Many important orders of any institution always written down on paper. So its importance highlighted not only in pencil box but also in every other field of work. Nowadays we are using different types of pens, but a long time back, before the pen was invented, the people used to write through birds' feathers. Such they are called quills. They are also required ink. So we can say that quills were ancient pens. Our total history written down on paper through quills. As there were no printers, no computers, there were only pens and papers which we could store information. Imagine what would happen when there was no history written anywhere. This is because of a pen we have a past knowledge. How important a pen in our daily life. That's all about my speech on about pen. Thank you.